Hello, this is an overview of Intermediate Algebra, MAT 1033C, of textbook sections 1.1, created by yours truly, Kevin Messer, and my partner, Philly. So here's what we're going to learn. In section 1.1, titled Order of Operations, we're going to learn A, Order of Operations, and B, Scientific Notation. Let's start with section 1.1, Order of Operations. The first thing you need to know is PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, and add and subtract. Firstly, we have parentheses or grouping. Parentheses, brackets, absolute value signs, square root symbols. Second, exponents, evaluate all the exponents and radicals. Third, multiply and divide from left to right. Lastly, add and subtract. Let's start with the example 5 times 3 plus 2 times 6 plus 3. Remember, our first step is grouping, so simplify within the grouping symbols and start from the innermost symbol and work your way outwards. Remember to always work your way from left to right. In this example, it becomes 5 times 3 plus 2 times 9. Now that we've taken care of one parenthesis, let's move to the next. But be careful. Anything touching a parenthesis becomes multiplied. So, 5 times 3 plus 2 times 9 now becomes 5 times 3 plus 18. Next, we have one more parenthesis to take care of. 3 plus 18, which becomes 21. So the problem then becomes 5 times 21, which equals to 105, and that is your final answer. The next section in 1.1 is titled Scientific Notation. Scientific notation is used to write very large or very small numbers. Converting a number to scientific notation is relatively easy. If we look at the number below, 470,000, the first thing we want to do is put a decimal point after the first whole number. Next, we're going to count how many spaces the decimal would have moved from the right to the left. In this case, it would have moved 5 decimal places, or 5 tenth places, which it would become, in scientific notation, 4.7 times 10 to the 5th. This concludes Unit 1, Section 1.1 and 1.2. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.